Procore's Correspondence tool is our most flexible tool ever, enabling you to broadcast and receive any type of critical communication with any stakeholder right here in your Procore official system of record. And when I say any type of communication, I mean it. This is truly the most flexible tool that we have ever introduced. Correspondence enables you to broadcast communications outward or to require updates from other parties and communicate back and forth with them, with the ability to DocuSign any correspondence item. You can even connect correspondence items to change events, RFIs, or other types of correspondence, and link correspondences to a drawing. The power in correspondence is its massive flexibility. You can create templates for any type of communication that you want, with options to require responses, add custom fields, and to give each correspondence type its own set of granular permissions so you can control exactly who will or won't have access. And did I mention that correspondence is also on mobile? The correspondence tool is so powerful and flexible that our customers are telling us how they use it. In the end, what you have is an incredibly adaptable tool that enables you to keep stakeholders accountable to key communications and maintain everything seamlessly in your Procore system of record.